Hello friends, welcome to Net Chemistry. Today I am going to tell about metallic carbonate. Carbonate ions we have seen what it is. For example, carbonate ion TiCO6 minus 2 we have seen, VCO6 minus 1, MnCO5 minus 1, cobalt CO4 minus 1. All these are carbonate ion which is obeying the 18 electron rule. We will see today preparation. What is the preparation of this carbonate ion? What all are the chemical properties of this carbonate ion? So first one is preparation. It can be prepared by the reduction with the alkali metals. Mn2CO10 we have seen in the last class. It will undergo the reduction with the alkali metals. What it will be forming? It will be forming the carbonate ions, right? It will be forming the carbonate ions. And other reduction method we have seen. If you are seeing the chlorides of this transition metals, what will happen? Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts reduction method we have seen, right? This is the reduction. Vanadium carbonyls it will be forming. This is not an 18 electron complex. This is having only 17 electron. What will happen? Will undergo the reduction with the alkali metals. Then it will form VCO6 times minus 1. This is an 18 electron complex. This is a stable complex. This is what metallic carbonate. We will see what all are the applications and chemical properties of metal carbonyl. See, if you take a metal carbonyl, it can form, first one is binuclear metallic carbonyls. Binuclear metallic carbonyls it can form. How it will be? MnCO5 minus 1. This is a carbonate ion we have seen. It has undergone reduction. Then it has got a minus charge. That is what carbonate ion. It will be reacting with cobalt CO4 Br. Like this one complex it will be reacting. What will happen? This will go off. Then it will form. So like this binuclear metallic carbonyls it can form. Another example I am writing. CO cobalt CO4 minus is reacting with MnCO5 times Br. What will happen? Manganese it will attack bromine, halogen it will be going. Then it will be forming CO4. Like this binuclear metallic carbonyls, two metals it will be there. So binuclear metallic carbonyls it can prepare. The second application is it can prepare metal carbon organometallics. What can be done? Metal carbon. Okay, we will see. If you take MnCO5 minus 1, any metallic carbonyl you can take, okay, it will be reacting with CH3Br. What will happen? This will be going. Then what it will become? CH3 MnCO5. That is what metal carbon organometallics it can prepare. Metal carbon organometallics it can prepare. The next one is carbonyl hydrates it can prepare. So using metallic carbonate we can prepare carbonyl hydrates. How it will be preparing? Some protonating agent we have to add. If you see in the periodic table, left side periodic table nucleophilicity will be more and the right side it will be a very weak nucleophile, right? Right side of the periodic table it will be. So the nucleophilicity will be different. Based on the nucleophilicity only you have to add the protonating agent. If it is a weak nucleophile, if you are taking a weak nucleophile, you have to add a strong protonating agent. What is a strong protonating agent? H3O plus is a strong protonating agent, right? If you take a moderate nucleophile, then you can add a moderate, not weak, not so weak. It is a protonating agent you have to add. Water is a moderate protonating agent. If you are taking a very strong nucleophile means left side. If you are taking a very strong nucleophile, what you have to add? Very weak protonating agent, methanol, MEOH, methanol you can add, okay. This is a very weak protonating agent. We will see how it will be protonating. First example I am writing CO4 minus. This carbonate is strong nucleophile or weak nucleophile? It is a weak nucleophile because it is in the right side, right? After iron group only cobalt is coming, cobalt, rhodium, iridium. So it is a weak nucleophile. You have to add a very strong protonating agent. I am adding H3O plus. Then what it will become? HCO CO4, right? Then I am taking FeCO4 minus 2. This is weak or strong? This is a weak nucleophile. I am adding a strong protonating agent. What will happen? The 2 hydrogen atom it will be adding, right? Protonation 2 hydrogen H2 FeCO4 it will become. Since it is a strong protonating agent, it can deliver so much of protons. So many negative charge also can be replaced by the protonating agent. Why? It is a strong protonating agent. The next I am taking rhenium CO5 minus 1. What it is? It is strong or weak nucleophile. It is a moderate nucleophile. Manganese, technetium, rhenium. It is not so much into the left or not so much into the right. It is in the middle, right? So you can use a moderate protonating agent. What you will be using? Water you can use. You will be getting hydrogen ReCO5, right? And the last one I am taking chromium, okay? CrCO5 minus 2, okay? This is a strong nucleophile or a weak nucleophile. Chromium is in the left portion, so it is a strong nucleophile. Strong nucleophile means you have to use weak protonating agent only you have to use. Then what is you will be getting? It has protonated CrCO5 minus 1 you will be getting. If you have seen in the case of iron, what will happen? FeCO4 minus 2, if you treated with H3O plus, this is the complex you got. 2 hydrogen it has replaced. But if you see here, only one protonation will happen. What will happen after protonation? This was a strong nucleophile, right? After protonating, this will become a weak nucleophile. If it is a weak nucleophile, this protonating agent also weak nucleophile, weak protonating agent. So what will happen? Further protonation will not happen. Here it will stop, okay? If it is a H3O plus, that will be a strong protonating agent that can add further more hydrogen. But once it has become weak nucleophile, this will not react. So only single step protonation will be happening. So what all are the properties of carbonate ion? It will be reacting with alkyl halides, weak acid, strong acid and moderate, right? And it will react with very weak acid to form dihydrogen complexes. I am writing the example. CrCO4 4 minus, right? 4 minus will be reacting with very weak acid NH3 NH4Cl, okay? This is a weak acid. It will be reacting and forming bridged dihydrogen complexes it will form. This is the complex. It is reacting with a very weak acid to form bridged dihydrogen complex. These all are the properties of a carbonate ion, and everywhere you have to check the 18 electron rule whether it is obeying or not. Here it is obeying, right? Here also it is obeying. Accordingly only you have to give the minus charge for the carbonate ion. I hope you understand it well. To be continued. Thank you for watching.